Imagine a world before machines, where factories depended on water mills and human labor. Then came an invention that changed everything, the steam engine. But how did it revolutionize industry and reshape the modern world? Before the steam engine, industries relied on water wheels and wind power, which were unreliable and location-dependent. Coal mining was dangerous and inefficient, as workers had to remove water from flooded mines manually. Transportation was slow. People and goods moved by horse-drawn carts or boats, limiting trade and expansion. The world needed a breakthrough, and that breakthrough came in the form of steam power. The first crude steam engines were built by Thomas Newcomen in 1712, mainly to pump water from mines. However, they were inefficient, consuming large amounts of coal. James Watt stepped in during the 1760s. By adding a separate condenser, he dramatically improved the engine's efficiency, reducing coal usage by nearly 75%. This made steam engines practical for factories, ships, and railways. Fun fact: James Watt's contribution was so significant that the unit of power, the watt, is named after him. Now let's see how the steam engine powered the Industrial Revolution, revolutionizing transportation. Steam engines led to the rise of steam-powered trains and ships, allowing goods and people to travel faster and farther than ever before. The first steam-powered locomotive, built by George Stephenson in 1814, changed global trade forever. Factory-boom steam engines freed industries from being near rivers, allowing factories to be built anywhere. This led to mass production, cheaper goods, and rapid economic growth. Urbanization and global trade cities expanded as people moved for industrial jobs. Steam-powered machines increased textile production, fueling the British economy. The world became more interconnected than ever before. The legacy of the steam engine is profound. Steam power dominated for over a century, until it was replaced by internal combustion engines and electricity. However, it laid the foundation for modern transportation, automation, and industry. Even today, steam turbines are used in power plants, proving the lasting impact of James Watt's innovation. From coal mines to locomotives and global trade, the steam engine was the spark that ignited the Industrial Revolution. It's proof that one idea, one invention, can reshape history forever. What do you think was the most significant impact of the steam engine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating history content.